Well, learning to code continues to grow in popularity in Utah's STEM world, but imagine using those skills to design a robotic foosball game. Think it sounds too good to be true? Well, think again.
That robot would kill me in foosball. Well, it started out as a class lesson, turned into a competitive semester-long project for 7 BYU students. Fox 13's Bob Evans shows us how it works.
We found some couple of videos on YouTube, and we thought we could do better.
Dah-Jye Lee, an electrical and computer engineering professor at BYU, helped students come up with the project. He says most designs that you see online are bulky and heavy-duty. This one simply runs off an overhead camera.
The camera sends pictures to the computer, 60 frames per second. And the computer, we write code to process those images. And we locate the ball and the players. And then we use that information to program to control the motor.
Joseph Quist has been working on the table's design for more than a year now. He says one of the main challenges was troubleshooting the mechanics with two motors, one that would kick the people and one that would move them laterally back and forth. The students implemented a threaded rod to get the job done.
This is an old version of the rod, but the design is basically the same, where this screw connects to the people and goes through the rod, through that slot, and then as you spin this motor, it'll move back and forth.
Next came wiring it all up.
This cable actually goes to all the motors, where it can get a location from the encoders attached to the motors, and then it sends it through these drivers back to the computer, and then the computer will respond to these drivers and tell them whether to move or not.
Professor Lee says it wasn't just all fun and games.
Students do this project, they learn a lot of skills. They can go out and build autonomous vehicles, robots, all kind of different things that have practical use.
Lee says nothing made him more proud than when one of his students battled his own program.
He tried really hard. He lost to his own his own program, 10-7. I'm happy. I'm happy he lost.
Bob Evans, Fox 13 News, Utah.